Suppose you are design a refrigeration system, basically four component necessary to required. First one is the evaporator, second compressor, condenser and expansion valve. Without any of leaving without a four, do not design any refrigeration cycle. Each component have unique work unique work. So any one of them are do not use, then do not obtain the refrigeration effect in our refrigerator. Means that any one component are anyway do not work, that time refrigeration are do not work. So working function, what is the first? I am start our cycle from evaporator. Mean the what is the evaporator? Evaporator consists of coil in which the following fluid at a low temperature and absorb its latent heat from the space to be cooled. Simply say that the first component is our evaporator. This evaporator consists of the number of coil. In this coil flowing the fluid, this fluid absorb the heat from the space where are decrease the temperature. This heat in the form of latent heat. This heat absorbed from the space where are cold in the form of latent heat, that is known as evaporator. Evaporator work simply absorb the heat from the system where are you are cool, where are temperature decrease. You understand what is the work of the evaporator? And due to removal of heat, absorb the heat, refrigerant require the space get cooled, producing the refrigeration effect. Mean the due to heat, when reduce the temperature from the system, refrigeration due to remove the heat, absorption of the heat by refrigeration, the required space get cool, the producing the refrigeration effect. That means the where anywhere to take a heat from the system where are decrease the temperature, that means the that time refrigeration effect are occur. That is the work of the evaporator. Our second is the compressor. That component is the compressor. The low pressure and high temperature refrigerant from the evaporator is drawn into the compressor through the inlet section valve. Means he say the simply that is our compressor. These compressor are take a refrigerant at a lower pressure and lower temperature from the evaporator through the suction valve. It is compressed to high pressure and high temperature. After compression is done, the increase the temperature and pressure both of the refrigeration when the exhaust from the compressor. That is the mean the our compressor work to increase the pressure and temperature both of the in our refrigerant obtained from the our evaporator. That is the work. Third is the compression. Condenser. The condenser is the consist of coil of pipe in which the passing the refrigerant at high pressure and temperature give up its latent heat to surrounding, condensing the medium. What I saying is simply back. Means after compression our refrigerant go in the condenser. The condenser are also consist of the number of coil. These here are heat exhaust in the surrounding. Means the here are in evaporator take a heat from space, but condenser is he exhaust the heat in the surrounding. We consider coil pipe passing through at a high pressure temperature give up the latent heat to surrounding, condense the medium after obtain the low temperature and high pressure from the condenser, then leave the condenser and enter in the expansion devices of wall. Mean he will exhaust the heat from the surrounding. That means here are only the temperature are decreased of the our referent obtained from the compressor. Then he will enter in the expansion wall. Expansion last component the expansion devices and wall to reduce the pressure of the liquid referent entering the evaporator so that referent easy take heat from the cooling space. Same figure, that is our expansion valve. Here are you know, after evaporator enter the low pressure and low temperature referent, but he will go after the compressor then obtain the high pressure and temperature, and when he again enter in the our condenser exhaust from condenser, that time only decrease the our temperature, do not decrease the pressure. So here, so this pressure decrease required to expansion wall. Mean here are after before expansion wall the referent is that time pressure is high and temperature are decreased. That referent that is decrease in expansion wall during the expansion wall. After expansion wall decrease the pressure and temperature both of the referent, then he will again in go in evaporator, then again process I start, he will take a heat from space, and then after take a heat from space he will go in compressor to condenser, condenser to expansion wall to continue to our work, our refrigeration cycle. I hope you are understand the how can work our refrigeration cycle. Thank you and khush raho.